fall and winter is made for like being a homebody. Like that's the ultimate season for maybe an introvert and a homebody. Like, where you going, boo? Hey y'all, it's Alicia of Goals and Endurance Living. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, if you are not new, thanks for coming back. We are all about living life goldenly and adorning it with things that bring us joy. So I'm sorry, I'm perspiring a little bit, but I was like, let me get on here because I haven't did one of these videos in a while. Okay, so you know, we're in September and it's like, you know, fall, dare I say winter? Not winter, but fall is approaching. Okay, so I was like, I gotta check out some fall and winter fragrances. So yes guys, I'm trying to get my glasses together because it's looking a little blurry. You know, don't judge the background. Those that are creative and have creative minds, you know it's a struggle sometimes, but it's an organized mess. But yes, so anyway, if you guys don't know, I have my own candle business, Goals and Endurance Artistry, and so I was perusing on the internet, and Flaming Candle, you know, that's my boo for fragrances. And so I'm like, let me go check out and see what products they got for I keep saying wall for fall and winter. So I picked up some scents, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, all right guys, so these are in no particular order as to my least favorite scent, you know, but I'm so excited because, you know, I love me some fragrances. And so in my line, I don't have like any food type scents or bakery type scents, but I'm like, you know, ain't nothing wrong with the little sweet and baked goods. Okay. All right, so the first one is bourbon butterscotch. Okay, so I've never tasted bourbon before, but you know, I figured with the butterscotch, I figured with the butterscotch that is gonna be okay. Butterscotch reminds me of like those Werther's candies back in the day, like what my grandmother would give me. But the bourbon is what caught my eye. So let's go ahead and get into the sniff. I'm definitely picking up that Werther's candy in the gold wrapper. But I like it. I definitely smell like that bourbon, that alcohol smell, but it's not overpowering. I feel like it's a good mix. I love the fall weather, or if you're a little more sophisticated, I love the autumn weather. And it just feels so cozy. And like, honestly, I wish fall would just last throughout, like would take the place of winter and just be fall, spring, semi-summer. But I like this scent. This is like, I'm sitting, like, I feel like, to be honest, I feel like all these scents that I'm gonna smell, they're gonna remind me of sitting in front of the fireplace on just a nice, cool, crisp autumn evening. You know, I always like going up to the mountains up north, so to the mountains, I'm in my log cabin or little cottage, you know, for the weekend, and I'm just snuggled up. So if you want something that's not completely too foodie, I think this is a good scent. Next one is Charcoal Tonka. So this one, and you know, I look at the reviews on the site and many people are raving about it, some not quite, but I'm like, you know, I like trying different scents that to me is like, okay, well, I don't really know what that might smell. Go ahead and put it in the basket so I can, you know, check it out and see, you know, what it's giving me. So Charcoal Tonka. So this is, I think this is just straight, I think it's gonna be like straight fireside, woods, campsite, some type vibe going. I don't know, let's see. So this one is definitely giving me out campsite, in the woods. You're not necessarily roasting s'mores at this point, but you're near the campfire. I'm getting a little pine smell. This reminds me of, I think, the crackling birch scent that I got. I think that's the name of it that I got from them, but it definitely reminds me of a cabin. This one definitely reminds me, it would be good for fall and winter. So I would definitely have to try it in wax form to see, you know, get the full on view, the full on gist, the full on of everything, just to see how it burns, you know. But first impressions, I'm like in between because I'm catching a little pine sweetness. What is Tonka? Okay, so I'm gonna try to look it up and put it on the screen. But what's Tonka? I don't know what. Next one is for all you pumpkin lovers. So let me get the pumpkin ones. Do I have any other pumpkin scents? No, I don't. I don't have any more pumpkin scents. This is pumpkin pecan waffles. So no, we're just not going to be boring and have pumpkin waffles. We're going to add a little pecan on there for a little bit sophistication, a little, you know, fall brunch gist or something like that. Pumpkin pecan waffles. So I figure this is going to, of course, you have the pumpkin. I'm going to get a nutty scent and maybe like a sweet scent of the waffles. So let's go ahead and give it a sniff. Okay. This hit me in the nose. Maybe I had it too close to my nose, but no, this hit me like, I'm not a pumpkin person, so that's why I got like a mix of like the pecan and waffles, but this reminds me of a Saturday afternoon. Maybe it started flurrying a little bit, or yeah, it could be flurrying, but pumpkins, anyway. Okay, see, now I'm just gabbing away. But this reminds me of a Saturday afternoon, and like, let me know down below, guys, like fall and winter, are you guys like more of homebodies? Do you guys just like stay in most of the time? Because let me tell you, fall and winter, you ain't gonna really catch me out like outside like that. But this, back to my story, okay? So this reminds me of a Saturday afternoon. It's a little overcast. It looks like it might rain or it might snow because it's like maybe like October, end of October, mid-November, and you know, sometimes in the Northeast it just be snowing early, like when it's still fall. But anyway, and it's just a baking extravaganza. Like, you're just baking up a storm, and you're gonna curl up on the couch, and you're gonna find like a good movie on Netflix or Amazon Prime or Hulu or whatever your viewing choice is for movies. And you're just gonna sit there and you're gonna have your baked goods in the oven, and you got some hot chocolate or some tea. I feel like fall and winter is made for like being a homebody. Like, that's the ultimate season for maybe an introvert and a homebody. Like, where you going, boo? So pumpkin pecan waffle, I will say, yeah, if you want that fall, rich fall, wintry scent, that is definitely the pumpkin pecan waffles. Your girl needs to slow down because I'm so excited and I'm just rambling and I'm talking so fast, but I need to calm my tongue down. Okay, so on to the next scent. Next scent is vanilla buttercream crunch. So this is all with the baking goods and stuff, and it's nice. It's kind of a little subtle. I am getting that vanilla. It's not like a straight vanilla. It's, you get the buttercream, you get that creaminess, the crunch. I don't know where the crunch is coming from, but of course I'll try to put the scent notes on the screen. But this is reminding me of perhaps a wedding cake. You know, maybe you're having a fall or winter wedding, and you know, you're just, I don't know what flavor I want for the cake. And you know, you finally decide, okay, I'll just go with the vanilla buttercream. But I feel like this is like a fall, winter wedding type scent. I don't know, but like a creaminess, yeah. Winter Wonderland. Oh my goodness, a winter scent. Winter Wonderland. Wonderland. Yes. Without looking at the scent notes, this is giving me, it's like the first, it's not flurries, it's like the first snow of the winter season. And you're like, oh, it's so pretty. You know, you're looking outside through the window. Oh, it's so pretty. But I'm not going out there to shovel. I'm gonna stay in because it's winter. But it's like a crisp, fresh snowfall. I don't know how to say it. I'm trying to give you the picture, guys. I'm trying to give you the details. It's like you... Okay, so look, I have the winter berry, but with this Winter Wonderland, I'm getting that crisp berry scent that's coming through. I just don't know how to explain it. Let me see. It's not sweet. I just feel it's sparkly. When I smell this scent, I think of sequin, sparkles, glitter, icicles, cold, snow, fluffy. I think of just okay, I'm thinking of a winter evening. It's this crisp coldness in the air. And you're just, you know, you're going out maybe to, not opera, see, I'm getting too sophisticated, not opera, maybe going out for a nice evening, out to town, to the city for a nice dinner, and it's overlooking the skyline or something like that. Or sophistication, it's just giving me yes, I'm Winter Wonderland. I have on my parka. I have on my, see, I'm not into name brands, so I don't know, but That's it. Yeah. The Winter Wonderland, yes, it's giving me winter feelings. Yes. Okay, guys. Pistachio dream cake. So when I was looking on the site, I'm like, okay, I never had pistachio cake before. But dream, like, they could have just said pistachio cake, but the dream cake is what made me put it in the basket and like hit pay. This one smells familiar. This pistachio dream cake is smelling like, it's smelling a little bit like the buttercream crunch, just a little bit, but I definitely get the nutty smell. It's not too sweet. It's like a nice baked good, a nice cake. It's not overly sweet. It's not gonna get your sugar up too high, but any sweets will probably get your sugar up high. I don't know. But I like it because it has a nutty flavor. I feel like this is a really good scent for the fall and winter. It just gives me those warm, cozy vibes and feelings, and like, oh, I'm just gonna stay in for the rest of the day, for the rest of the weekend. I'm not going anywhere because I'm gonna be sitting on the couch burning my pistachio dream cake candle and dairy. Okay, so this one kind of like, it almost smells a little bit like the Winter Wonderland, but this one has more of like a pine scent with the berries. It's soft. It's very nice and soft. It's definitely not overpowering. It's definitely wintry scent. In the winter, I just think of cold, crisp, fresh air, fresh snow. But we all know who lives like in the Northeast or in areas where it's snow. Yeah, that snow be looking good when it first comes down. When until you gotta get out there and start shoveling, it's a different situation. And then, you know, when you be driving in the dirt, you know, the sand and the dirt, it just be getting all yucky looking and don't have that nice fresh snowfall look. But Winterberry, it's a yes. I like it. It's very crisp. It's light. I can see myself burning that like in the living room, in the kitchen for just a nice refresher scent. Most of this getting. So that is that. That is the Flame in That Candle, my fall and winter fragrances that I picked up. I might go ahead and pick up some more samples. We'll see, you know, we'll see. But those are some good scents for the fall that you can check into, and perhaps I'll get some more fall and winter fragrance scents to review that are not like around the food, the baked goods, you know, maybe something a little more masculine. Hope you enjoyed watching my review, and until next time, you know what to do. Live life goldenly. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you do not want to miss the next time I upload another video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, girl. You will not regret it. Okay, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment down below and let me know which fragrances that you think you'll check out. But I'll see you on the next one. Live life goldenly. Bye.